KC from Metal Mania 3D TV. Go and check him out. Sent me this 1/64th Jeep model kit as a collaboration for the birthday of his father, who would have been 100 tomorrow on the 2nd of July. So there's a couple of us building this. This is my first kit since I was 13, so it's over 50 years ago. So excuse me if I don't know and I get things wrong, and I do. Believe you me, I get things wrong. This is a snap together kit, but you do have to use some glue, I found. But that was cool. Like, didn't worry me. And I really enjoyed this, even if it was so bloody small, like to put the Coke bottle glasses on to be able to see. It's the axles and the windscreen. KC said that these cost under $5. And I tell you, they have got great detail and are definitely worth the $5. I'd like to actually do some more now. There's some really, really small parts there. I wish I'd gotten myself a pair of tweezers. The body and the chassis have some great detail. And the instructions are fairly decent. I did manage to put something in the wrong spot, and I'll show you that later. But the wheels roll. Yeah, I'm about to fit the diffs in. Like, underneath there's a lot of detail. So we're putting the four-wheel drive diffs. They just snap in. I did use glue though. And there you can see them. That's some good detail. I'm not going to show the full build process, mainly because I had to concentrate on what the hell I was doing. And it was just easier to film bits and pieces. I painted some parts. That's a rifle, shovel, and an axe. I painted some parts before I put them on. Here we've made a fair bit of progress. You can see I've painted the seats black and brown, like leather. I put the rifle on the windshield, which is where it was supposed to go. The gear sticks are painted. The steering wheel's painted. Still got a fair bit to do, but it's turning out all right. Jerry cans painted. I'm liking the look of it so far. I've got the majority of it done, and I'm going to put the body on the chassis. If my camera, again, ever bloody focuses, geez, I had trouble with it. On the left-hand side there, you can see a square box. That's the fuel tank, and it was supposed to go underneath. Bucket that one up. But here we've got the shovel and the axe, and you can see a hole there. I don't know what the hell I did wrong there, but there's a hole that shouldn't be there. And here we go, we've got the whole lot snapped together. Still a bit to finish off, a little bit, not much. It's looking good. I'm actually quite pleased with myself. Here we are. This is where the camera really went grainy and horrible because I was trying to get it to look bloody perfect. But yeah, finished product. The only thing I don't like is the wheels are shiny. I did try to muddy them up. Didn't really work. There's a few snapshots that I wasn't real happy with. These ones look better. So there you go. Hope you like that, KC. Happy birthday to your dad.